Hello there. Britishvolt was a great idea. All it lacked was a commercial product, a customer base, and a factory, and yet it attracted massive attention and credence. So what went wrong? As I say, it surely was a wonderful idea that came along at just the right time for a government that was pledged to move the centre of gravity of national wealth out of the southeast while preparing to make its pledges around net zero at COP26. So what did the government actually do? Did it look under the bonnet of this great idea? Did it kick the financial tires? Did it calculate whether this was an enterprise that could be brought to fruition in partnership with the British people? Did it slot the concept into the wider strategy for the automotive and manufacturing sector, and of course the wider manufacturing supply chain at large? In other words, did it take it seriously? Of course it didn't. Sure, it offered 100 million quid from the Automotive Transformation Fund if certain KPIs were met, and they weren't. So the cash stayed in the bank. At a time when UK manufacturing is demanding with ever more urgency that the government develop a proper industrial strategy to deal with the challenges and the real opportunities of net zero, and to deal with skill shortages, supply chain disruption, and the damage caused by Brexit, this is nothing less than a 5-alarm wake-up call. But will they listen? Your guess is as good as mine, and I think we're both right.